Welcome to Chitrayan drawing class for kids. Today I am going to show you how to draw and paint easy drawing of festival on oil pastel. I draw crackers for Diwali. At first I draw number 4. This is number 4. Now I continue the line. Next I draw a spiral like a mosquito coil. Then I draw a triangle. Next I draw drops of water. Our drawing is ready for color. Let's enjoy with color. Light green, rose pink, light blue, yellow ochre, orange, medium yellow, cerulean blue, violet, deep green, primary red, light blue, deep yellow, orange, pink, deep yellow, orange, primary red, grey color, dark brown, orange, brown, flesh tint, orange, primary red, orange, light green, cerulean blue, orange. Our crackers is ready. Let's enjoy Diwali. My only advice to you, practice every day because practice makes a man perfect. Hope you like this video. If yes, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.